Hi friends, it's Mrs. James Rocks. This is a tutorial on how to use the Nameplates Astrobright Punchy Pastels template that I sell on my TPT store that looks like this. Right now it's $2. It will be part of a bundle as soon as all the products are finished, so I'm excited about that. I'll make sure I offer it at a discount since some of you will have already purchased these products by then. All right, I wanted to show you how to actually use the product though. The first slide that you get will have links to tutorials that you can take on how to get the Stoney Clover letters that I'm going to show you. These colors very closely resemble, for the slides, the Astrobrights Punchy Pastels paper that's sold on Amazon, which I adore. But what really got me started on this was I've been a fan of Stoney Clover letters for a long time. And then when I saw that paper, I thought, oh my gosh, they look so pretty together. And now I just can't stop. So that's what you're seeing here. I'll show you how to use each slide, but if you're interested in actually using these Stoney Clover letters, there is a video linked right here, Tips and Tricks for Teachers. It's on my YouTube channel on how to actually get how to get these Stoney Clover letters from the Stoney Clover site for your personal use, because of course I can't sell those letters. So they're not here in this file. So this first slide does show you some Stoney Clover letters. I will delete those before the product actually goes live. I just want you to understand I'm not providing Stoney Clover letters, but I can show you how to use them. So this is what the file looks like that I actually created. And the video on YouTube shows you how to make this file. They have quite a few letter options and of course, a bunch of other patches that are amazing. So what I do is I show you how to grab those super simply. No advanced editing skills needed at all. So I do encourage you to go check out that video. It's absolutely doable. I saw a video on it that for a split second and I thought, oh my gosh, so easy. I better grab those before that's not doable anymore. So love those. But these are the templates that I created. There are 4 templates in the product. Set 1 has ABC at the top, a hundreds chart, and the lines. There are 10 of these slides in multiple colors. And at the end of these 10 slides, then I add 1 in each color. Because if you think, oh, I don't like any of the colors except for yellow, that's fine. You just right click on the slide, hit duplicate slide, and it will offer you an additional slide, okay? And you can do that as many times as you want, okay? Obviously, I don't want that in the product at the moment. The next set has set 2 has the ABC at the top and the hundreds chart, but no lines. And I think this looks great with the Stoney Clover letters, although the lines do as well, which I'll demonstrate at the top how to do. And then the third set is multiplication with lines, and I show it with cursive because of course in 2nd and 3rd grade in Texas we start teaching cursive. There are 10 of these slides, and just like the 2 sets above, then I will transition into the solids, so you have at least 1 slide that's in the solid colors on both, in case that's all you're wanting for your whole class. All right, and then the 4th set is multiplication with outlines and ABCs. You might have something that you really want to experiment with, and so that's what that is, okay? And your dad was about to walk in. All right, so let me show you how to actually edit these slides. So the first one that I demonstrate how to do on this one is actually just pulling these over. So I'll get rid of the end, for example. I'm going to go over to my Stoney Clover file that I created. Again, please go look at that video. I just Control-C on my Mac computer. It's a Command-C to copy it. I'm going to come over to my nameplates, click anywhere on the screen, and then I Command-V to get the N over here. Now you'll notice that on my file, just the way that I created it, I'm going to have to resize it just a bit, but I am using Google Slides and it's pretty helpful, okay? If you decide to do multiple colors, kind of like I did on this first slide, that can look very different as well. I enjoy that. It kind of depends on how much color you're wanting visually in your room. I kind of like my room to be a little quieter as far as colors go, so that where my colors pop, I can really see them. But I do like simple combinations, kind of like this one. So this one shows kind of a monochromatic, and this shows 2 colors that complement each other. But also, I think this looks really nice as well. So on all of the slides that you're going to get, this is the print font I will use. It's called Coming Soon. If you don't have that one, it's called Coming Soon. And I did it in 118. Now, obviously, if you have a longer name, you might have to change it just a little bit. If you're really wanting to be careful about the height and these 3 lines, you obviously can just not print anything on there as far as the computer goes, and then print them blank and use your own beautiful handwriting on them as well. So you have a couple of options there. And then on the cursive, which I really like the print, just that it would be so uniform. It's really pretty. It looks like a hand drawn as well. This is the one that will come with it. If you're like, oh, I don't like that, all you do is click on the text box and you get rid of it. It'll be blank for you, okay? But there will be one there, and it will just say, okay, when you get it on the file. So I hope that helps you. This is the Homemade Apple, which is one of my faves. And this is in the 96 font as well. It looked pretty good. It's fully editable. I hope that helps you to be creative in your classroom. I can't wait to see what you do with this. Obviously, these labels, especially the ones at the end, could be changed. You've got basically a large label. You could take this and delete it. These are for your personal use, so please don't create a new product and sell them, but I hope you enjoy these beautiful colors, and hopefully you will try out that tutorial for the Stoney Clover Letters and some of the other products in our TPT store. I am just so excited to see what you do. All right, teachers, thank you.